All right, today I'm reviewing and testing the Brick. This is a tool and an app that helps you control your screen time. I've used screen time, tools before, but they all live on your phone or you need to get another phone. This is kind of a hybrid of both and I love it. They're not paying me for this. I'm evangelizing to everyone about the Brick. So I thought I'd make a YouTube video on it and hopefully you can grab one too. Again, not paying me, no affiliate links. This is just truly a test review and for you to see how awesome this thing is. I've had it only for a few weeks, but love it. And yeah, let's get into it. Nice packaging, little intro card tells you about the founders, Zach and TJ, why they created Brick, where to put your Brick. It's magnetic, so fridge, desk, front door, what you will do while you're bricked, read, explore, focus, hang out, This is all that's in here. The actual Brick itself, and then a QR code to download the app. So let's take this out. Here's a few quick things you gotta know before I show you the app. 50 bucks, 49 I think. What can you can't even go out to eat for 50 bucks anymore. And here's the kicker, no membership. Also, if you wanted multiple people to use the same Brick in your household, they just have to download the app. So my wife and I both can use the Brick. Let me show you the app. You click in, up here at the top, you'll see a hamburger menu, which is really just troubleshooting, FAQs, a little bit more about the Brick. You can leave a review, and then emergency unbricks, which I'll get to here in a second. All right, first what I wanna show you is how to create a customized mode. So go down here to default, go add mode. Let's do one for social media. Oops. And then do confirm. So then I'm gonna go in here and click social media and then customize it. I'm gonna go and click all of the biggest time sucks for me. Instagram, TikTok, X, Snapchat, Facebook, and yeah, that's good. Then we go to done, and then back to Brick. All right, now here's the fun part. So I'm going to click Brick like this. It says ready to scan. I'm going to hold it next to the Brick. You'll feel that haptic vibration, and then just like that, I'm bricked out of those apps. So I'll just show you here. You go back to your home screen. You can see Instagram is bricked out. I'm in Brick mode right now. You click on it. It says this is a distraction. Your phone is currently bricked. To access Instagram, tap your Brick. So let's go back and go back to Brick. Click the app. Tap Brick. It says ready to scan. And then I'm just going to go like this. And then just like that, I'm back. It's that easy. A few quick things. If you've gone into Brick mode and then you're out with some friends and you want to show them something on one of your social medias or an app that you have, bricked out in that time period, you can initiate an emergency unbrick, which I'll show you right here what happens. It says, are you sure? Once you run out of emergency unbricks, the only way to force unbrick will be deleting the app. This will delete all of your data and may prevent you from activating your Brick next time the app is downloaded. So kind of scares you out of doing it, but it does give you a way out if you need to. So again, that's it. That's simple. It's that cheap. It's that small. I really do love this. If you have any questions about how it works or want to see me try something else with it, let me know. Throw it in the comments. Also, subscribe if you want to see more tests for future gadgets, tech like this. I hope to do more of the same. All right, until next time, later.